doing? I'm sure you are all waiting for this NEET exam 2025 that's coming up soon. It is here. It's only a few days away. I was thinking what I can say today that could actually help you through this journey to NEET 2025. I'm sure your mentors, your parents, your friends, everyone and teachers would have given you lots of suggestions and best practices as to how to prepare and how to attempt the NEET exam. They're all valuable suggestions which you should use in your practice. But I want you to take a moment to look back 2 years and understand yourself. Why are you here? What helped you in making the decision to take the NEET exam and to prepare for the NEET exam? And what inspired you to want a career in medicine? These are all very important questions to ask yourself. Once you reflect and reconnect with your original thought process, this will give you the strength and clarity you need at this time. And you will draw motivation and inspiration from your goals and your dreams to make sure you're focused and you concentrate well during this exam. The last few days of NEET preparation, it's very tricky. There's a short amount of time available and time is very valuable. So any revision plan you draft right now these few days, please take the support of our Sri Chaitanya mentors and teachers to ensure that your time is utilized very wisely. You need to focus on areas that you've been making repetitive mistakes, and I recommend that you go back and look at all our revision tests and mock tests and grant tests to review those questions and make sure you review those subtopics as well. So that way those mistakes are not repeated in the final exam if those questions come up. Today it's time to reflect on that experience. It's time to look back and reflect and list out what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses so far. And you need to understand how to use both to your advantage. NEET is a very speed and accuracy based exam. The 3 hours of NEET exam is what will determine your rank and your medical seat. And that 3 hours will demand your utmost attention. Each and every question is valuable and is important for your score. You need to give the maximum attention possible to each and every question and focus. Without rushing through it, without making assumptions, please read the question thoroughly and answer it as confidently as you can. Being part of the Sri Chaitanya ecosystem and studying at Sri Chaitanya for NEET, you must have been exposed to thousands of NEET questions. So draw from that experience. Draw from the teaching, classroom teaching that was given. Draw from the class notes that was given. And these will all help you do better in this exam, each question at a time. Take it as a challenge. Enjoy each and every question. You have worked so hard for it. So it's time to enjoy the test and perform as best as you can. It's now time to refine and enhance your performance with conscious effort. It's showtime, actually. It's time to show the world what you can do and what you can achieve. So don't be afraid to aim high. Use all your energy, everything you have learned at Sri Chaitanya to deliver the best during this exam. When you take responsibility and accountability for your preparation and also performance, things will become clear. Your focus levels will improve, your concentration levels will increase for greater clarity. And that's what we need for the NEET exam. Those 3 hours will definitely help you do better in life and reach your goals. Day before the NEET exam is very important for you. It will help you stay focused. It will help you to concentrate. It will help you to consolidate everything. So stay calm, stay peaceful. Don't get worked up about the exam. Don't think too much about the exam. Avoid distractions. Eat right, eat healthy. Stick with your routine. Stay hydrated. Talk to people who motivate you, who give you that positive boost of energy during this time, who give you that confidence during this time. Do not study right before that evening. Get really good sleep because you need the rest. When you get to the examination hall, make sure you get there on time. You don't want to be rushed. You don't want to panic at the last minute. And as soon as you are given the question paper, make sure you read the instructions very thoroughly, because every instruction, every point will help you coordinate your thoughts while doing the exam. And most of the time what we find is any student OMR sheet marking, the sequence of marking, all these become a factor as well. So the best practices you have followed so far, whatever worked for you, please stick to that and follow that same pattern. Keep sense of the time, how much time you have and how much time to spend on biology, chemistry and physics. NEET is not a very difficult exam. Please remember that always. Don't worry about the difficulty level. Take one question at a time and go through it. Because NEET will be a moderate paper, which you will definitely be able to answer very, very well. So keep that confidence and go through step by step. Sri Chaitanya is the topmost leading institution for NEET aspirants throughout the country in our Sri Chaitanya Junior Colleges, Sri Chaitanya Techno Schools, Sri Chaitanya Academy and at Infinity Learn. We try our level best with our research and with all the information available to provide the best journey for the student with giving the right content at the right time at the right competitive level. Quality over quantity is very important, and we train the students with a lot of foundation in each and every subject along with numerous thousands of questions for preparation. That will give them fundamentals and also practice. And these two are the essentials for the success of NEET. Thousands and thousands of students every year trust us with our curriculum, with our teaching methodology, with our testing methodology and analysis that will enhance and boost their performance every single week. We have a system that has never failed us before. And every year we see more and more students doing well in the NEET exam and going into the prestigious medical colleges in the country. You are part of the Sri Chaitanya system. And by itself, you have so much information, so much content that will help you do extremely well in the NEET exam. Most importantly, relax, stay confident and believe in your preparation. Wishing you all a very happy and successful NEET 2025.